In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 0x00000193. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, and that way you'll be able to bring up this small window called Run. Type for wsreset.exe, click on the OK to continue, and wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done with this one, try to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then let's move on to the next solution. Press Windows key and R key together. Type for services.msc. Click on the OK button so that you can be navigated to the services window. So first is you need to find for background intelligent transfer service. Make a right click, go with properties, set the startup type into automatic, start the service, click on apply, click on OK. Once done, proceed to the cryptographic service. Type C in your keyboard, then scroll down, find for cryptographic services, make a right click, click on properties, set the startup type into automatic, start the service, click on apply, click on OK. After that, select any of the service, type W in your keyboard, find for Windows License Manager, make a right click, click on Properties, set the startup type into automatic, start the service, click on Apply, click on OK. Once done, you need to find for the last option, which is the Windows Update. Select it, make a right click, click on Properties, set it into automatic, start the service, click on Apply, click on OK. Close the window, restart your computer, and your problem will be resolved. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.